The Blaupunkt Velocity Power Dynamic Amplifier MPA 4 Right 5 is a powerful 4-channel amplifier. It operates as a Class AB amplifier and offers a maximum output power of 110 watts per channel at 4 ohms. With a weight of 2.5 kilograms and dimensions of 264 millimeters in length, 200 millimeters in width, and 57 millimeters in height. It is compact and easy to integrate into your audio system. The package includes screws and a mounting bracket for convenient installation. Additionally, a user manual is provided to guide you through the setup and operation process. Experience the amplified power of the MPA 485 and enjoy an enhanced audio experience. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.